Joshua, what are you doing? Are you growling like a lion? What are you doing? He has been doing this for the past 15 or 20 minutes. Non-stop bouncing. You have so much energy! What are you doing? What are you doing? Say good morning. Good morning. Look at that pile of laundry Mommy has. Yikes. What are you doing? Hey, buddy. That's good. Get all your energy out for the long car ride to Orlando today. Woohoo! See you soon, Orlando friends. See you soon.